Okay, abusia, former president Akuffo Addo sisi ano. Ne private jet bia wato. Allegedly sisi ano. Mpanyinfo akesefo apeke alert EOCO mu apeke alert BNI mu apeke alert se Akuffo Addo ewo private jet. Say during his tenure na Akuffo Addo edware ewo wiem ne ade no. Abusia sisi ano yakwa akohu se papa no ono ankasa ato ne private jet say oman ni sika enkofo wewi aye no private jets ena ode akwakoto. Dr. Ren ababeliki info no yenko na yenko nkoti ensima call so unsubscribe ya subscribe like na share ma afofron so ensa into me enkabi Ghana Politics Avenue so madam say, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Okay.
And today John Mahama has not collapsed free SHS. He has rather what? Made provision of an amount of 4.2 billion for implementation of free secondary education in 2026. To end the double track system and to improve the quality of our secondary education, John Dramani Mahama has allocated an amount of 1.1 billion Ghana cedis under the Ghana Secondary Learning Improvement Program, G-SLIP, in 2026. Thank you, Eric Foley. We have allocated an amount of 2.2 billion for the construction of 200 new junior high schools. Hey! Clap your hands for John Mahama and the NDC. Anybody who voted for NDC, God bless you and your family. If you voted against NDC, I won't say anything. Wow, JJJ. We have allocated an amount of 2 billion for the construction of A, 200 new junior high schools, B, new primary schools, 200 new primary schools, C, 200 kindergartens, D, 400 4-unit teachers bungalows. Hey! Akuffo Addo lied to Ghanaians. If you vote for me, teachers will get free bungalows. The man is a trickster. Nanado is a 419. In fact, replace Nanado. Give the devil's name to Nanado. He is the devil. I am telling you. These are the things the government is doing. Let's go on. Are you tired? We are not yet done. Don't be tired. There is more to come. When I heard the 400-unit teachers bungalows, I say, God bless John Dramani Mahama and the NDC government. Hey! Teachers are going to live big so that they can have sound mind to train and teach our people. 400 places of convenience in underserved communities. As for Nanado, he was bathing in the air. He was doing shower, no respect for Ghanaians. Spending £14,000 an hour. And he later bought that private jet. And we heard that another man said the private jet belongs to him. I don't want to mention his name today. Let me concentrate. 6. We have allocated 3 billion Ghana cedis for A, 4 set of KG books and workbooks for about 200,000 learners. Mamma mia, Babene, Porikoduo. B, 4 set of primary textbooks for 2 million learners. C, 9 set of JHS 3 set books, textbooks for 500,000 learners. D, procurement of over 2 million pieces of metal monodecks and chairs. listen, metal, monodecks, and chairs. E, 200 unit 66-seater buses and 200 double cabin pickups for distribution to secondary schools across the country. Not because you did not vote for me, so we are not going to give you, like Akuffo Addo sat at the Juloibi house at the time. Now it is Flagstaff House. When Akuffo Addo was at the Juloibi house, he told people, you did not vote for me, so I'm not going to do FOCO for you. Hey, what a wicked man. He was not a president for all. This is a president for all. This is a father for all. You know the name, right? Rashid. The sexy. Let's continue. 7. We have allocated 25 million Ghana cedis for free tertiary education for persons with disabilities. God bless John Mahama. He says, from henceforth, anybody living with disability, free education for you from nursery, kindergarten, throughout to the university. Hey! Akpe. Wandabushi. Asedankwa. Yeye mo, as my Ismails will say. Hey. Disability is not an inability, but John Mahama says, go to school for free. The state will take care of you. Tell me, why would somebody with disability not bless Ghana? They have made things easy. Let's continue. The no free stress policy will continue. We have allocated 537 million Ghana cedis in 2026. Oh, for first year student in university, no fee to pay. It's government. Paul Amantem, Osnedi Kamfu. We have allocated 9. We have allocated 207 million Ghana cedis for teacher trainee allowances. Hey, teacher. Go kopebiko alawano yede mamo mun kopebinko. Who say president no day? President John Mahama day, papa. 10. Additionally, we have allocated 169 million Ghana cedis for BECE registration. Spell your name, BECE. 11. Government has allocated what? 292 million Ghana cedis for free sanitary pad for girls. Pads for girls. This is one of my favorite. I tell you, every day my villagers were calling me. Krr, 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 Papa Ghana. We don't have free sanitary pads for our girls. It is too expensive. And I was sending money as if I was Bank of Ghana. Meanwhile, I don't have kobo. Nobody sponsor me on this platform. And when this government came and did this initiative and helping Ghanaian girls, I said, God bless Mahama. In fact, years ago, one of my former girlfriends told me when I used to go to nursing college, I don't want to say it. He said, because because there was no money, I used daily graphic as sanitary pad when I am bleeding. Forgive me, ladies and gentlemen, but I have to say it. It was a shame. So when I came to United Kingdom, I realized that, our leaders are wicked. So Mr. Ren, Dr. Ren, D Sexy, D Ren, Papa Ghana, when you get opportunity, talk about this sanitary thing. And I ran this sanitary party and John Mahama said, don't worry, Dr. Ren. I said, Mr. President, don't give me any position. If you can do this for me, I will thank you. He heard my voice. When we met him here in London, I said, I am not looking for any position. If you can do this. And I showed him phone numbers. I showed him schools. You think we were joking? He said, consider it done. But let us pray for life. If I become president, this I will do. And I went to see Professor Jenano Pokwajiman. I could not get the chance to see him vis-a-vis, mano a mano, but through someone. We spoke at the time before I met her again. This time around, mano a mano. And she said, they have told me. We will do. We will help our sisters, our daughters. You think we were joking? Let's continue. 12. Ghana has allocated 1.98 billion for school feeding program. In Kokonketenkete, by the time you get to SHS 2, SHS 3, in Kokone Nini, Oba Pelo, you chop chicken, you eat eggs. Balanced diet. Buy made in Ghana and eat made in Ghana. We grow what we eat and eat what we grow. Under the agricultural minister, the Ministry of Agric, Eriko Poku, and the most finest young Ghanaian. You know the name. I don't know. I don't need to mention his name. John Dumelo. They are giving us Nkokonketenkete. Just yesterday, he went to dash over, 1,500, whatever, crates of eggs. Let's continue. To improve learning outcomes, we have allocated 157 million Ghana cedis for capitation grant. 14. President Mahama has directed that all schools from basic to secondary to purchase rice, maize, chicken, and eggs produced in Ghana only. Hey! We don't need any Akuffo. Akuffo Addo came and fed Ghanaians with Akuffo. We don't need it again. We will grow our own food, eat our own food, and become more healthy. And not suffer from kwashiorkor. Just like Otuo Srebo is always suffering from bili. Upgrade 10 Category B schools to Category A status, equipping them with modern classrooms, dormitories, libraries, science, and ICT laboratories. 16. Should I end here? Or I should continue? Or maybe when I get to 21, I should pause and then another day we continue. What are you guys saying? I want an answer. From YouTube and Facebook, I want an answer. Should I continue? Or when I get to 21, then I stop and then we continue another day. All right, let me quickly brush through and then we continue another day. The government will complete, listen here. Continue. Thank you. Sunny, continue. Now always continue. The government will complete 30 of the abandoned E-blocks, community day senior high schools in urban and peri-urban areas and expand access for students. Akoko Wawu. Mahama, yeah. Thank you, Afritude Movement. Hey, the continue is more than pause you tire Ali Mahama. Hey, Nadu wasted our time. 8 good years. Let me continue. E-blocks are a kanguremunina. Ye babe continue. Hey, the taxpayers' money will not go in vain, Sarah. Government has secured $60 million for the construction of Science and Technology University at Damango. Hey, $60 million. Secured. We are going to construct a new modern science and technology university at Damango. You don't need to travel all the way to Tech from the northern part. You can attend University of Science and Technology at Damango. Hey, I am telling you, we are building the nation Ghana. We are fixing the country to compete with the likes of China, Great Britain, France, and Germany. I am telling you. Hey, we shall get there. Our sons and daughters will be proud of us. People like the Afritude movement, our sons and daughters will be proud of us that we did not keep our mouth quiet. And we fought for them. Opening of the University of Engineering and Agricultural Science, Bonso, in 2026. Hey, this is a university. Agricultural Science and Engineering. We shall get there. Completion of new technical universities in Jasekai and Techiman. Hi. Establishment of new public university in Kintampo and Dambai. This is coming from the Ghana Education Service. I gave you this broadcast for you to enjoy. So that when somebody tells you that John Mahama buy one year free, dollar if is 17, I be do 10 as a 11. You find 11 CDs. Would you find 12 CDs? And do 12 by find sir. John Mahama saving call for 5 CDs. Ladies and gentlemen, if it is wrong, we will say it. Sounds not if it is right, and say it. We need ideas to develop our own country. That one day, ye be proud. Wonsum, enim nipa. Ghana be ya ne free awo na ame. So we have to build Ghana. And this includes say ye benya komapa adwenepa to build our nation. So that we all will be proud. Look, see, I was speaking to a Nigerian years ago. That time, I would be a service. And I was speaking to one Nigerian. He said, hey, the way Nigerians are eager to obtain Ghanaian passport because they see Ghana as their small London. And I was shaking my head. I said, you don't know. We too, we want to be like the likes of America, Germany, and France. They are our real competitors. And Ghana must lead for others like Nigerians to follow. And yes, we can do it. Yes, we can build Ghana if we want to build Ghana. Forget about these tribalism people, tribal bigot, those who are doing ethnic jingoism. We shall overcome them all. Imagine if Greater Accra is being developed, Volta region. I will go there and I will see my beautiful brothers and sisters. Go all the way to Oti region. Visit Dambai. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana shall be built. And we will speak to the leaders to build Ghana for our sons and daughters to come and enjoy. God bless our homeland Ghana. Make our nation great and strong. Bold to defend forever and ever. Assalamu alaikum. Malikum salam.
Okay, abusua we ne ensema ekoso e political highway so aye former president Akuffo Addo ache say Ghana yesu se oman mu ayeden no sika one ne cousin Ken Oforiatta mo omotam ye no abusua sisi akwakohu se Akuffo Addo e oni private jet and ho nsem na ye de bra on subscribe like na share ma afofro so ensa into me enkabi medamase.